When water strikes, it doesn't wait for a convenient time. That's why New Method Restoration is here for you 24/7. From the moment disaster strikes, our IICRC certified specialists spring into action. With a response time of just 60 to 90 minutes, we're at your doorstep, ready to start protecting your property. Using cutting-edge technology, we extract, dry, and decontaminate your home to its pre-damaged glory. Our unique dry-in-place solution minimizes disruption, preserving your home's integrity and your peace of mind. Families across New Jersey trust us, not only for our swift response and expertise, but for the care we put into every home, as if it were our own. New Method Restoration, where your peace of mind is our top priority. Call us or visit us on our website, New Method Restoration, protecting your property like it's our own.